Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial today I will clear the confusion between why people still call SQL as SQL. As you might have seen that in your office or in your surrounding people are calling SQL as SQL. So I will be giving you the clarification, is it correct to call SQL or SQL or both are correct. So let's find out in this tutorial. So, so I will be giving you the initial description, why and when it has been called as SQL. When the SQL was invented, initially it was called as SQL. The full name was Structured English Query Language. And after several years of using the name as SQL, later it was changed to SQL, and there's a reason for that. And later the name was changed to SQL by removing the vowels in between, and you can see that E and UE has been removed from the name. Now it has shortened the name to SQL. So now structured query language. So there's a reason that is important to know why the name has been changed, because it is important for all the developers to know about it. And it was changed, the acronym SQL was later changed to SQL because the SQL was a trademark of the UK-based Hawker Siddeley Dynamics Engineering Limited company. So due to this legal dispute, the name of the SQL was changed to SQL. So that is the main reason. And if people are still calling SQL as SQL, so that can be correct, but it should be changed to SQL because it was correct during a period of time in the past. In the past, when people are calling in 1980s or 1990s, if people are calling as SQL, that is correct. But in this current years, name has been changed to SQL. So I believe all of you who have understood the meaning of it, please share the information with your other friends and colleagues who doesn't know about it, and it is very vital information for everybody who works on SQL. So thank you for watching the tutorial, and yes, let me also give you the classification between this SQL. The SQL is the whole commands of SQL has been divided into three classifications. One is DDL, DML, and DCL. So DDL means data definition language, like create, alter, drop table. And now coming to the DML, so here we manipulate the data, like data manipulation language, like select, delete, insert, or update. And the last one we have in this tutorial, that is a DCL, data control language. So here mostly we decide all kinds of security related functions or commands, like grant, revoke, those. And thank you for listening and understanding this. Share with your other friends and colleagues who doesn't know about this. And if you have any comments, or you can write in the below comment box. And if you not subscribe our channel yet, please do subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see other tutorial in the below links. Thank you.